Load a program file. This operation is used to load a program file in the host or a USB flash disk for machining. The supported file format includes NC, ENG, DXF, PLT, TAP, and TXT. Loading a program file in a USB flash disk as an example, to load the program file, do the following. To enter the menu interface, press Menu. To enter the file interface, select 2 USB files by pressing down, up, and press OK. 1. Load the selected file. 2. Delete the selected file. 3. Copy the selected file. 4. Selected the All file. Select the target program file by pressing down, up, and press OK. To load the target program file, press ℏ-. You can also do one of the following for the selected program file in the host or a USB flash disk. To delete the program file, press Y-. To copy the program file to a USB flash disk or the host, press Z-.